In this video, I'm going to be going pan fishing, but as you guys will soon see, I ended up catching a huge variety of different panfish and game fish. But anyways, I'll see you guys when we're out on the water. Yeah.
Got a Blake.
Oh, he's a fighter.
Hi. Come up real fast. There he is.
Northern.
Hey, G, you gotta get him with the net. Now lift your rod up towards the boat, Blake. Lift him up.
Get him.
Nice one. Lift him up, Grant. All right, way to go.
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
That's a nice one. Higher. Hang up a little higher. That's a nice one. 23. Let me give him a little water here.
I'm Curtin. I have bloodshed.
He shed blood?
Yeah, he was thrashing pretty hard.
Yeah.
Oh, Blake's bleeding really bad. Pop out.
From what?
He was thrashing really hard.
Oh,
It's fine.
Exact same spot.
Oh, no, some guy on the chair. Or we might have to cut it off.
Yeah, this probably isn't too good.
Wipe it off real good with that swab.
What is that?
Special tape for vision.
It just seems,
Yeah.
it just seems right.
I got a pretty big one. Yeah,
That was
it's
so
pretty
close
big.
to hooking something that he wasn't supposed to hook. Oh, hold on.
Oh, wow, it's a bass.
A bass?
Yeah, rock bass. Wait, no. Oh, it's a green sunfish.
Let's see it one.
Big green sunfish.
That's a greenie. That's a big one. Oh, you're all the way to the. Oh, slap! I gotta get him to the keeper. Oh, way to go, buddy.
That's what you would have got.
Oh, got it. Oh, it's big. Oh, it's big.
That.
Oh, it's big. Yeah, probably. I see it. It's probably a bass.
That's a nice one.
Maybe? Yeah, it's a bass.
It's a broken thing.
And it's twirling around like a crazy.
Oh.
Oh, it's a big rock bass. Big rock bass.
That's a
Got
nice
him.
one. Oh, I want your picture on that one.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
A thing.
Turn towards me.
I'll take him first.
Good morning.
So,
What's it called?
I don't know.
I think Blake said it was something.
Oh, I should have measured it. Got one.
I don't see any blood though.
Oh. That's fine. Oh, it came off. Wait, I can see it. Looked almost like another bass.
Oh, a big one.
After the day.
Yeah. Oh, it's a northern. Someone get the net. No, it came off. It's giant.
How big was
Oh.
it? What the heck happened?
I don't know. It's just snap.
Yeah.
Got one. Ooh. Another fighter. Oh, ginormous bluegill. Ginormous. Oh my goodness.
Oh wait, there's a weed out
Straight
there.
over
Does that
there.
count? That's a fish.
Almost 8. Yeah. Might be another bass.
Maybe like a rock bass thing?
Yep, it is. Another rock bass.
I cannot believe how many rock
Bass and northerns and everything. Nothing but no panfish. Well, panfish, but not many. Turned into game fishing, I guess.
Like,
I'd like to finish real quick.
This is over 6, but
You're out of
I'm
high.
trying it.
Where are you getting all stuff?
now I got it. Oh, it's a giant bluegill. Pizza.
Oh, nice
Pizza
one, Blake.
size. Wow.
Are you gonna eat the whole pizza then?
Yes.
Yeah.
Almost 8. Got him. Big bluegill.
Big one. Who's got that?
Me.
Yo, Blake.
Woohoo. Well guys, the GoPro that I've been using to go fishing has not been working very well recently because it's been automatically deleting my footage, and it happened again today. So you guys only got to see about half of the fish that I caught on that trip. Thankfully I have some pictures of the fish that the GoPro didn't save, so I'm just going to show you guys those. So the first fish that I'm going to show you guys is this crappie right here. I don't remember how many inches he was, but it was a pretty cool fight. He fought really hard. At first I thought he was a bass, and then I thought he was a green sunfish, and then when I got him in I realized he was a crappie. So he's pretty nice. Like I said, I don't know how many inches he was, but that was a pretty cool fight that I didn't get on camera. I also caught this smallmouth bass. It was a pretty cool fight too. I also don't remember how long he was, but he was pretty big. And yeah, he's a pretty nice smallmouth bass, as you can see. And unfortunately, I didn't get him on camera, but at least I got a picture of him so I can show you guys. Those weren't the only fish that the camera automatically deleted the footage of, but there's also some other ones, but those were just the biggest, coolest ones, so I figured I'd show you guys those. You can click over here if you want to see a video where we caught a ton of bass, or over here for a video where we caught a ton of northerns. But thanks for watching.